What if I told you that your liver doesn't actually get dirty? The concept of a liver detox or cleanse that we hear so often is, frankly, a massive misunderstanding. Your liver doesn't need you to wash it. Instead, it needs the right tools, the right biological keys to perform its own extraordinary job. And today, I'm going to reveal 7 of these golden keys, 7 incredible foods that will help you not just cleanse, but regenerate and optimize your liver, all based on solid science. First, let's quickly understand the liver's 6 amazing functions. It produces bile to digest fat, synthesizes critical hormones, creates cholesterol, produces proteins, and regulates hormones throughout the body. When your liver is overloaded, you might experience symptoms like itching, fatigue, yellowing skin, or joint pain. That's our cue to step in. And here's how we do it. Key number 1, cruciferous vegetables. Think broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts. Core active compound, sulforaphane. How it works? This compound activates detoxification enzymes in the liver, helping it process and eliminate toxins more efficiently. It also acts as a cleanup crew for excess fat in the liver and is a powerful anti-inflammatory. Practical application? To maximize sulforaphane, eat broccoli sprouts or avoid overcooking your veg. A light steam is all you need to preserve its power. Key number 2, garlic. Core active compounds, sulfur-containing compounds like allicin. How it works? Sulfur is an essential component for the liver's detoxification pathways. Garlic is not only antibacterial and antiviral, but also a fierce anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, protecting every single one of your liver cells. Practical application? Crush or chop your garlic and let it sit for a few minutes before cooking. This helps to maximize the activation of allicin. Key number 3, turmeric. Core active compound, curcumin. How it works? This is arguably the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory we know of. Curcumin helps the liver repair and regenerate itself, protects the mitochondria power plants inside cells, and is brilliant at reducing liver fat. It also assists the liver in clearing out heavy metals. Practical application? Always pair turmeric with a pinch of black pepper. The piperine and pepper can boost the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. Key number 4, beetroot. Core active compounds, betalains, and nitrate compounds. How it works? Beetroot helps to reduce elevated liver enzymes, increases bile flow for better digestion, and protects liver cells from damage. It has even been shown to slow the progression of liver fibrosis. Practical application? Don't juice it. Eat the whole beetroot to get the fiber, which helps to stabilize blood sugar. You can boil it, roast it, or slice it thinly into a salad. Key number 6, mushrooms. Core active compound, glutathione. How it works? Glutathione is known as the master antioxidant. Your liver produces it naturally, but when it's under stress, it needs a top-up. Mushrooms, especially varieties like turkey tail or oyster mushrooms, are a fantastic source, promoting the recovery of liver cells. Practical application? Add mushrooms to stir-fries, soups, or simply roast them to give your liver a helping hand. Key number 6, avocado. Core active compound, glutathione, and monounsaturated fats. How it works? Just like mushrooms, avocados provide glutathione. At the same time, the healthy fats within them are incredibly anti-inflammatory, helping to calm down a stressed liver. Practical application? Enjoy avocados in their natural state. Avoid blending them with condensed milk or sugar, as this only adds more burden to your liver. And the final key, number 7, extra virgin olive oil. Core active compounds, polyphenols, and oleocanthal. How it works? Even a small amount of high-quality cold-pressed olive oil can make a huge difference. It helps reduce liver fat, improves the body's insulin sensitivity, and is a potent anti-inflammatory thanks to its unique antioxidants. Practical application? Use it as a dressing for salads or drizzle it over your food after it has been cooked. Avoid using it for high-heat frying. So there you have it, 7 powerful keys to unlock the door to a healthier liver. Remember, looking after your liver isn't about a quick, drastic cleanse. It's about building smart, sustainable eating habits day by day. Start with one small change today. If this knowledge has been a key that's opened up a new perspective for you, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with those you care about. And for the most important key of all, comment below with which of these foods you're going to add to your plate tomorrow. Be sure to subscribe to Body Key to unlock more secrets to your health. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.